Hello, YouTube. Guess who's back? I know it's been a minute. I am so sorry to my 2 subscribers out there. I am so sorry. But I got an excuse. It's a tail. A big tail. Let me get you set up in the old camera stand, and we'll talk about it. All right. I lied. I didn't put you in a camera stand. I got you precariously balanced on top of the engine crane. And you might be wondering, why is the engine crane in the garage? Because I don't got a lot of room to keep such monstrosities in the garage. Well, let's go back to October. As you might recall or remember, if not, pause, go back, watch the other videos, watch them, then come back and continue on with this journey of story time at Stubby Bolt Garage. I got the front end of the car back together, got the motor in, we did the exhaust, remember the exhaust? And what else did we do? We did a bunch of stuff I can't remember because it's been so long. And we did the transmission lines. That's right. Now it's all coming back. We did the transmission lines, and we got the radiator in. I went and stole the cooler off my Jeep that's rotted out. I started tearing that apart, and then winter showed up, so that's on hold. Put the cooler in, I ran the lines, and then I was like, do I want an electric fan or do I not want an electric fan? You know what I really want? I just want to run this car. Just want to drive it. I almost said a naughty word. So I put the pan in. Then I discovered it ain't going to fit. Why, you might ask? Well, the motor was too high. And it was at a wrong degree. I'll have to go back and check some video because I recorded all of this. I just haven't edited and uploaded to YouTube for my dull subscribers who are probably thinking I am not around anymore. But I assure you, I am here. If I remember correctly, motor is sitting at 10 degrees. And I'm like, that is wrong. So after some looking and thinking and looking and measuring, the motor is an inch too tall. So I took apart the whole front end and took the motor back out. I got all that recorded for you. Relax. You'll see it. Maybe. I don't know. So, that's why I got the engine stand in here. And sitting right behind it is the motor on an engine stand. Or the cherry picker. You know what I mean. The cherry picker is in front of the motor on the stand. Whatever. You're on the cherry picker right now. I am trying to figure out motor mounts. I also recorded around Thanksgiving. I believe I was out here for half a day on Thanksgiving rearranging a Shelby unit that I had over there in the corner. That one. See that thing? No, not that. We are going way over my shoulder. Way back here. Right in that general area. I ended up taking all the parts from my Cougar off. And I dug through them all, and I found some stuff I didn't know I had, and I found the motor mounts for the Cougar, because I had the 460 in it, and I'm like, well, maybe they'll fit. And, here is one. And then in the video that I haven't uploaded to YouTube, I talked about how I can't find these, but I can still buy these. And I put them on and I dangled a very heavy 460 over the engine bay, and well, between 1966 and 1974, they either moved the cross member forwards or backwards. I don't know. All I know, not going to work. So I dug around for the old motor mounts that I took off, which are right here, and I discovered that these have compressed over the years. Well, let's just say 20-ish years, maybe 30, I don't know. However long they are, they have compressed. So I bought new ones. These are for a 352, and well, the new ones are chunkier. Holds the motor up. And I just can't put in the old ones because I don't know why, but I cut part of this one off. Now, believe me when I tell you, I am thinking about taking the new one and cutting that ear off and welding it on this one. I am seriously considering it. I'm also playing with the idea of building my own engine mounts. Everybody does it. You can see probably hundreds of thousands of videos on YouTube of people building motor mounts. So if they can do it, certainly I can do it. And then we get through the holidays. Right, and I really didn't get out here because it got cold. And at that time, I didn't have this heater that you're hearing in the background that is maybe sort of running out of propane. So I gotta get propane. Everything came to a screeching halt because I fell and went boom. And when I went boom, broke my ankle. Everything came to a halt. And while I was out of work, at 8 up, I was like, hey, you know that hernia I got? Let's get that surgery done. So last week was my first full week back at work. And I am up and around. Ankle gets a little tight, cranky, but, you know. I'm hoping over time it will get better. Also during that time, my snowblower of 25 or more years, I forgot exactly when I bought it, it decided to stop making noises. So I had exactly 1 week of like I was mobile on my ankle, and I had a week before my surgery, to which then I wasn't going to be able to do anything for a week, to get that swapped out, and I predator swapped it. I came right down to the line because we had a snowstorm coming in, and that's what I was hoping to beat, and I did. So in the last, well, really since December, that's the only thing I've done. Besides cut a lot of wood, broken ankle, fixed my belly button, swapped out a motor on an old MTD snowblower. I did take the old motor apart. I think it was just wore out. Towing with the idea of maybe rebuilding it depends on how much that costs. When I pulled the motor, I was like, since the motor is out, might as well fix the brake lines because I don't like them. The one's coming right off the master cylinder. So I started to do that back in November, and I made a line that I was very, very proud of. I'll show you the first version of it. Very proud of this line. Very proud. Problem is, put the wrong end on it. I have a union for whatever size nuts I put on it. And then winter came, and then I broke my leg, and then, well, anyway, here we are, March 1st. And I decided to finally finish those stinking brake lines. Because I ended up having to redo the one that goes from the master cylinder to the right front, across member, and up and over. I ended up having to redo that one, and well, today I finished it. So I'll show it to you here in a minute, but I just wanted to get out a little, hey, I'm still here. This is why I haven't done anything. And I got film in the can, I guess is the industry term. I got a bunch of videos and I started editing it, and I don't know. In the middle of it, I kind of wandered off out of left field, and we kind of got off topic. So I don't know if I'll ever post that videos, or maybe I'll oh my god, maybe I'll cut them up. Maybe I'll insert some of them here. I don't know. Maybe I will just scrap that whole video altogether. And so I have redid that line, and the little cues, and brought it down here. You know, redid all that. Kind of tucks everything in under the master cylinder now at this point. You know, that's a better shot. This is my power steering return line. Now that one kind of runs underneath. I might have to bend the end of it. And this line is my power pressure hose. And then, as you can see, that one kind of snakes on down through there. And, you know, I made it a little bit tighter. Just tightened everything up a little bit. Ran a new line all the way across. Yes, I just took out one of the perches, as you can see. It's in the video. And yes, I am maybe thinking about hacking. This is some grade A metal here. I am thinking about maybe cutting the top off of it and chopping an inch out of that, and just using the mounts that I got. That is a thought I have. Just wanted to give you an update. Short little video, quick little video. Say hello. And I'm still here. And hopefully the plan is to get this thing back together and out on the highway this year. Wish me luck. Bye.